So I forgot to take pictures and videos, but our day wasn't that eventful. COVID day 39.
We went to Target.
We went to Target
Got birthday presents.
in Iowa, and no one was wearing mask or gloves, which was really interesting. And we
wore
bought
gloves.
birthday presents. Yeah, we wore gloves. Bought birthday presents. Sam is on a healthy kick.
And we just
with his
watched Gilmore
Gilmore.
Girls for
We watched a lot of Gilmore
the
Girls
rest of the day.
and made food. We'll go check on Liam. Hey Liam,
Yes, Mom.
what did you do today? I have no documentation for our video.
Doesn't this room smell?
Always smells.
Dad walked.
It smells so bad. I don't even know what it smells like.
It's popcorn and BO, little boy BO.
Oh my gosh.
It
Okay.
smells so bad.
Did
You're
you just have to
literally
mute
eating
your
old soggy pineapple in here.
Did you have to mute your friends right then?
Yes, I had to deafen myself too.
So they heard the whole comment about the smell.
Yeah, which is stupid because you literally walked in with like this nasty smelling pineapple.
No, it stinks.
It's the pineapple. What did I do today? I did a lot of homework, watched a lot of Twitch, played some video games, and went outside.
Eventful. Thank you. Flynn had a very tiring day. Okay, double devices. Last
Yeah.
day of being 10.
Mhm.
What's gonna change tomorrow?
I'm getting a year older, and I'm watching more Pokemon.
And Flynn said that you grow higher tomorrow, higher than any other day in the whole year, right?
That's not correct, though. Ooh, I could trade this.
Well,
I'm right now watching Pokemon TV, one of the best Pokemon movies.
so you're really into Pokemon. I wonder what you're getting for your birthday. Did you ask for anything in specific?
No.
Hoping for Pokemon stuff.
Yeah.
And we will see you
I
tomorrow.
wonder if I get a Pokemon game. That would be cool.
I wonder. That would be pretty cool. I don't know if a Pokemon game exists, really.
Yeah, like Pokemon Sun, stuff like that.
I wonder if